I have just made this drink, which is hot chocolate lion's mane drink, and I just wanted to share it with you. I'm super passionate about lion's mane. Lion's mane is a mushroom with incredible health benefits to it. It's said to be really good for the brain, for cognitive ability, for growth and repair. When there's nerve damage or brain injury, stuff like that. I've linked to a whole bunch of scientific studies in the notes. I'll leave a link for that for you as well. And I like to incorporate lion's mane powder into my daily cuisine. I usually have a teaspoon or so every day, which really works for me, and I buy a good quality one. I've written about that as well, just to help you make good choices within that, and I encourage you to look online and look up scientific studies on lion's mane, because if you want something to help support your brain and cognitive function and memory and everything related to that, lion's mane is incredible. Apparently, I feel the benefit of it in my own daily life as well. So the thing with the chocolate is that it's naturally sweetened. I'm using dates to sweeten it. I'm using oats, so rather than using a plant-based milk or something like that, I'm just using oats to cream up in the blender. And then I've added a hint of cinnamon. So let me show you how easy this is to make. But before we do that, if you like what you see and you'd like to see more, be sure to give this a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, let me know how you get on, or ask any questions. Leave any other helpful information in the comments too. All right, let's go see how easy it is to make this lion's mane hot chocolate. So that's 2 tablespoons of oats, 4 pitted dates, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of lion's mane powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, either half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of either vanilla extract or vanilla powder. And if you need to add some more sweetener, because it's not quite sweet enough, just add a little bit of coconut sugar or maple syrup. That's pretty much all you need in there. Sometimes I put some cashews or some shelled hemp seeds in as well, but I'm not doing that today. And then put your lid on tightly, and then I want to blend this until everything is evenly combined, basically until the dates have kind of turned into nice liquid. So there we go, that's been about 45 seconds. See how everything is nice and evenly combined. You could actually have that as a cold chocolate drink if you wanted to. So what I'm going to do is give it a little taste. And if you need to add anything extra in, like a little bit of extra sweetener, then do that now. Then we're going to heat it up in the pan. So you want to bring this gently to the boil whilst giving it quite a bit of stirring. Okay, let's see how it tastes. I like it. I think you're gonna like it. Tweak it if you want a little bit more sweetener in. Add a little bit of maple syrup or coconut sugar. Let me know how you get on. Let me know what you think, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye for now.